A jar contains 5 red marbles, 3 blue marbles, and 2 green marbles. If you randomly draw 2 marbles from the jar without replacement, what is the probability that one marble is red and the other marble is blue? We have 5 red, 3 blue, and 2 green. That gives us a total of 10 marbles. There are 2 ways we can get a red and a blue marble. The first way is we select a red marble first, and then we select a blue marble second. The second way we can get a red marble and a blue marble is that we select the blue marble first, followed by the red marble. Now we need to find the probability of each of these scenarios. The probability of getting a red first and then a blue is equal to the probability of selecting a red marble and multiplying by the probability of selecting a blue marble. The probability of selecting red is equal to the number of red marbles we have, which is 5, divided by the total number of marbles that's in the jar, and that's 10. We're going to multiply that by the probability of selecting a blue marble. The number of blue marbles we have in the jar is 3, but the total amount that we have in the jar now is no longer 10. We started with 10 total, but we already selected one here, and there was no replacement. So now we have 9 total. We're going to multiply this out. We get 15 over 90. And we're going to reduce this, and you get 1 over 6. Let's find the probability of the second scenario. The probability of selecting a blue first, followed by a red. And that's equal to the probability of selecting a blue times the probability of selecting a red. And that's equal to, we're going to start with 10 marbles total once again. And we get 3 blue times the probability of selecting a red. There are 5 red marbles in the jar, and the total now is reduced to 9 since we already selected one earlier. And this is equal to 15 over 90. Reduce this, it's 1/6. Now we need to add the probability of these two scenarios together. And that's equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. It's equal to 2 over 6. Reduce that, and that gives us 1/3. And that's our answer.